Ooh-wee, there you go. What did you think of that? Pretty cool, hey? Night Raver and Trevor with MC Cyclone around the world. This is, I have no idea what it's called. I think it's called Sunshine in the Rain. It's a new track. Don't know who it's by. Not to worry, I'll tell you in a minute. We have a guest DJ in the studio, DJ Slate. Oh, shut up. DJ Slate will be playing some uplifting trance for us in about 5 minutes, so ring us up and tell us that you love Slate. There you go. 415-6764. Faxes 415-6781.
Final access.